Skylights in summer generate a lot of heat. Having a hot, sweaty office isn't ideal. A little bit different of a video this evening, talking about personal growth and development. I talk a lot about it in the world of manufacturing. I'm always working on my personal life too. Just finished up some training and added another monitor to the setup. Totally stoked because now I can have my laptop set up with the Zoom screen running dual screen as well as the gaming laptop, and I'm not always around switching around HDMI cords. The throne where it all happens. Was working for the last 5 hours on some personal growth and development stuff this evening. 5 hours? What time is it? It's almost 10. I started at 4:30, so I guess so. It's all about continuing to push ourselves, right? And so really just showing a quick tour of everything you can see here. And to say, you know, keep working. I get it's tough sometimes. I get that there's a lot of reasons not to. Love having the support of my partner who's currently setting up a birthday party tomorrow. She likes to set it up a surprise, but some more lights, a headlight, and of course the green screen that lets me float over all of the normal videos. Thought I'd give you all a quick tour. Peace.